everyone, it's Lou, and for today we are talking about the 5 habits that I've learned this pandemic that will help all of us achieve our Clear Skin 2022 goals. Okay, so meron tayong libreng background music galing sa ulan. So if you guys can remember, nagkaroon ako ng malalang hormonal acne last year. Like malala as in ang sakit na hormonal acne. So ever since then, sobrang ingat ko na sa skin ko. And I've researched talaga kung ano yung mga habits na makaka-help sa skin ko na mag-clear out yung acne ko and ma-maintain yung beautiful skin na walang acne. Hopefully. Hindi ko binabate, pero sana magtuloy-tuloy na tong skin ko. Pero anyway, ito na nga yung tips ko sa inyo. Number 1, use an acne-fighting cleanser. I used to think na hindi importante yung cleanser kasi like literal na 15 seconds lang siya sa face mo tapos iwa-wash off mo na. Like, sis, where is the effect? Like, nag-cleanse ka lang ng skin mo. But, I saw this TikTok video, hindi ko na siya mahanap. Tinatry ko siyang hanapin para mapakita ko sa inyo. Hindi ko siya mahanap. But doon sa video na yun, sinabi nung girl na anything that you put on your face is important. And since yung cleanser nga yung medyo hindi ko pinapansin kasi nga mabilis lang siya nakalagay sa skin. So yun yung sinearch ko, yung cleanser. And since I love the Garnier Vitamin C Serum and the Garnier Sunscreen, sila yung sinearch ko for a cleanser. And they have this Garnier Anti-Acne Cleanser. So, since na-intriga nga ako dito, naghanap ako ng mga reviews for this at sobrang nire-rave siya sa Shopee. Sis, ang daming positive reviews sa Shopee, Lazada, and sa mismong Facebook page ng Garnier for this. Yung post nila for this. And of course, nabudol na naman ako lalo ng mga co-influencers ko kasi nakita ko yung mga testimonials nila about this and they love it daw. Ayun na nga, nabudol na nga. And I am here to tell you na sulit budol to sis. Sulit budol because this cleanser has salicylic acid to help fight the pimple-causing bacteria sa skin. This is also dermatologically tested. It smells very nice din and I love how it lathers the skin. Sobrang smooth. Right after using the cleanser, I love how clean my skin feels, and after using this for 7 days, my skin has visibly less acne and acne marks. So here are my before and after photos. And they have this in 2 sizes. I got the 2 sizes para mapakita ko sa inyo na meron silang 2 different sizes. You can get this sa drugstores, department stores, Watsons, Shopee, Lazada. This is very accessible, you guys. Madali lang tong bilhin. And since they have 2 different sizes, you can buy the small one muna para ma-try out nyo muna kung okay siya sa skin nyo and stuff. You know? So actually, they have this 7-day GarnierByeByeAcneChallenge where you have to use the cleanser for 7 days and show us your before and after photos and get the chance to win 10,000 pesos and Garnier products. So join the challenge on Instagram or TikTok. Just post your before and after photos. Tag Garnier with the hashtag GarnierByeByeAcneChallenge. And in the caption, sabihin nyo lang doon why the Garnier Anti-Acne Cleanser is your best acne-fighting solution. That's it. And now you have the chance to win 10,000 pesos and free Garnier products. The 3 Instagram or TikTok posts with the highest number of likes and shares will win. And the winners will be announced on April 8. And meron pang another 4 winners that will be announced on April 22. These are very mura lang. So I highly suggest you guys get this and try it for 7 days. Don't forget to take your before and after photos. Okay? Para makasali kayo dun sa challenge. My number 2 tip for you guys is consistency is key. Sa lahat naman ng bagay. Pero kasi, nung nag-pandemic, tinamad ako mag-skincare. Tinamad ako mag-makeup. So, ayun, kahit maganda yung skin ko pre-pandemic, hindi nga ako masipag, hindi ako consistent sa skincare ko, so napabayaan ko siya. Nagkaroon ako ng fine lines. Tapos hindi na siya as glowing, hindi na siya, parang sobrang dull looking na ng skin ko. So kahit maganda yung skin mo, wala kang acne, wala kang blackheads, wala kang whiteheads, please still use your skincare products para dire-diretso at ma-maintain mo yung skin mo. Kasi kapag nag-stop ka ng skincare, may possibility na mag-worsen pa yung face mo. Number 3 tip for you guys is eating clean. I know. This is very cliche at sa lahat ng napanood kong anti-acne videos na mga ganito, lagi itong kasama. At lagi ako na naman, ba't totoo siya? Totoo siya, sis. And this pandemic, nahilig ako magluto. So, as much as possible, nilalagyan ko ng veggies yung pagkain ko. And pre-pandemic, actually, meron akong dandruff. Ngayon, wala na akong dandruff. And anong connect ng dandruff sa skin? Because the scalp is a part of your skin. Remember that. Kung meron kayong dandruff, there's something that you need to fulfill inside. Pangloob na siya ng katawan mo, hindi na skincare. So you have to eat lean, drink lots of water, exercise if you can, like walking lang. Kailangan gumagalaw pa rin yung mga muscles natin and stuff. That's the health part of taking care of your skin. Number 4 is do not touch your face. I know, sobrang nakatulong yung mga mask na hindi na tayo palagi naghahawak ng face. Kasi alam mo yun, before pandemic, pag meron kang whitehead, sobrang gigil na gigil kang matiris or sobrang hawak tayo ng hawak sa skin natin na nangangati yung kilay natin, yung ilong natin and stuff. And kahit mag-alcohol ka whole day, meron pa rin mga bacteria yung mga hands natin. So as much as possible, don't touch your face often, kahit na naka-mask. Number 5 is wearing lesser makeup. Kung napansin nyo, konti na lang yung makeup videos ko. Hindi na nga ako masyadong nagme-makeup videos ngayon. Because paulit-ulit na lang yung makeup ko and paulit-ulit na lang yung mga ginagamit ko sa makeup ko. And also, minsan, hindi na nga ako nagbe-base makeup. Like, sunscreen lang and then blush. Ngayon, nag-tinted moisturizer lang ako, BB cream or something. Mas okay yon kaysa yung mga full coverage foundation. In my opinion na. Kasi personally, yung skin ko, hindi siya nakakahinga kapag makapal yung makeup ko. So, I'm super glad na rin yung mga makeup na lumalabas ngayon ay medyo maninipis na yung formula. Kahit yung isang cushion na sobrang gustong-gusto kong gamitin na may full coverage, meron na ring skin-loving ingredients and manipis na rin yung formula nila. Ayun din, another tip is to look for makeup na may skin-loving ingredients, skincare ingredients like may SPF. That's 2-in-1. Mas okay kapag may SPF, may moisturizing benefits, merong mga hyaluronic acid or niacinamide. Yan yung mga ingredients na usually hinahalo nila sa makeup nowadays. So, mas okay kung may ganun yung makeup nyo para 2-in-1. So, that is it guys for this video. Again, super quick lang and sobrang konting tips lang para mas madali natin siyang magawa consistently throughout this year. In April na sis, pang-4 na buwan na natin ngayong taon. So please, start taking care of your skin. So thank you so much for watching this video and I will see you on my next one. Bye!